So good evening everybody, it's from Jayshree, Department of Biomedical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. I am going to take the filters. So filters are nothing but remove the unwanted signals present in the digital signal. Okay, there are many types of filters. So out of this, the basic need for the biomedical signal is what? Low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter. So there are active filters. So filters are electronic circuits that allows certain frequency components or reject some other. They are passive and are the electric circuits or network that consist of a passive elements like resistor, capacitor or an inductor. These are the importance of the filters. So there are four types of filters. Active filters are the electronic circuits which consisting of the active elements like passive elements, passive active components of the op-amp, and the passive elements like resistor and capacitor, right? So active filters are mainly classified into four types based on the frequency that they are allowing or rejecting. So active low pass filter, active high pass filter, active band pass filter and active band stop filter. So active low pass filter, if an active low pass filter passes only low frequency components and rejects all other high frequency components, then it is called active low pass filter. The circuit diagram of the active low pass filter is shown in the figure, right? So here the circuit diagram is the op-amp. The inverting terminal is nothing but minus sign and non-inverting terminal is nothing but the plus sign. Here in the low pass filter only resistors are connected and all other remaining resistors are connected to the feedback. Here the capacitors are connected to this non-inverting terminal which are seriously connected, and finally we get this. This is what the active low pass filter. Next one, active high pass filter. If an active high pass filter passes only high frequency components and rejects or blocks all other low frequency component, that is called active high pass filter. The circuit diagram of an active high pass filter is shown in this figure. Here the exact vice versa of the active low pass filter. In the low pass filter, the resistors are seriously connected and capacitors are parallelly connected. Similarly, here in high pass filter, the capacitors are seriously connected and resistors are parallelly connected, and the feedback resistance RF is connected from output to input, and non-inverting inverting terminal one more resistance is connected. Okay, this is what the active high pass filter. Next one, let us see what is the gain for an active high pass filter. AF, the passband gain of the filter. F, the frequency of the input signal. FC is nothing but the cutoff frequency. Next one is what? Active high pass filter. Next one is what? Active band pass filter. If an active filter allows or passes only band of frequency, then it is called active band pass filter. In general, this frequency band lies between low frequency range and high frequency range. So active band pass filter rejects or blocks both low and high frequency component. The circuit diagram of the active band pass filter is shown in this figure. Here we already seen the high pass filter which is connected series to the low pass filter. This is what this low pass filter. Both are connected together in series form the active band pass filter. Okay. Next one, band stop filter. If an active filter rejects or blocks a particular band of frequency, then it is called active band stop filter. In general, this frequency band lies between low frequency range and high frequency range. So the block diagram of this band stop filter is here. In the band pass filter, the high frequency filter and the low frequency components are connected in series, right? Whereas in band stop filter, in upside the active low pass filter, whereas in downside active high pass filter, both are connected in parallel, and together it receives the input signal, and finally it gets the summing amplifier, and at last it gives the output signal as the output. This is what the main block diagram of the band stop filter. Here low pass filter and high pass filter are connected in parallel, and together we connected as the input as a voltage, and at last it gives the circuit, that is it gives the summing amplifier, and finally it gets the resistance. So okay, this is what this circuit from this active band stop filter. This resistance R is connected to the input of the other op-amp, which is what inverting terminal. Okay, thus it produces the output.